All good?
Yeah.
All good? Good morning, everybody. This is Pierre again with Art of Clean and Art of Flooring here this morning. This morning I want to add some value to you. I really want to tell you more about wood floors and the options on what to put on top. We get that question so many times. People are totally confused about what finish is best for the wood floor. So I thought I'll bring some experts in. I have the wonderful Terry Guilford all the way from Ireland in on the call this morning. And it looks like Terry's actually hanging in there. So in the meanwhile, what I'll do is I'll talk to you about the oil finishes and the lacquer finishes. And what we've got is there's two options with regards to a finish you can apply to a wood floor. So what you need to consider is what is needed for your situation. What's needed for your floor? What traffic is going to go over the floor? And if that traffic goes over the floor, how will that floor look in the future? So the two options you have is a lacquer finish, which is these modern things you see these days, is a water-based finish, and that is sometimes applied with a mixture of hardener, and the hardener makes it a much harder finish. Otherwise you can also get a single component finish, and then you have the oil finish there. The oil finish we use is Pelman Magic Oil, and it penetrates within the wood. So if I can show you this little sample, in fact I'm going to take this bigger one. This bigger sample over here is a more natural look. So what has happened to this oil, it has penetrated within the wood and there's no gloss finish on the surface. The beauty of this is when the oil is applied, the floor looks natural. If the floor do get used and scratched over time, we can clean that back. You can get a fresh coating of oil applied and that looks good again. The alternative to that is your lacquer finish. Your lacquer finish will have a gloss sheen to it, although you can also get a matte. You can see we have a matte finish there and you've got a gloss finish there. And this coating sits on the surface of the wood. This is something you will more typically use in a kitchen area which has got heavy water use, or alternatively bathrooms, shower rooms, etc. They are much more prone to a little bit of staining from water, and for that reason lacquer is a much better option. If you have a floor and you're unsure about what finish is best, please feel free to reach out to us and I would be loving to give you some more advice on what's the right finish for your floor so it lasts as long as possible. Thank you so much.